In this video, we are going to solve a problem based on series RL circuit. An EMF of 50 volts 50 Hz is applied to an impedance Z1 equal to 12.5 plus J21 ohms. An impedance Z2 is added in series with Z1. The current becomes half of the original and leads it by 14.2 degree. Determine Z2. So let's solve. What they have given is Z1 equal to 12.5 plus J21 ohm, which I can represent in a phasor form, equal to 24.4387 at an angle 59.24 degree ohm. Now, for this Z1, EMF is 50 volt. So I can get I1 V upon Z1. So it's a 50 divided by 24.4387 at an angle 59.24 degree, which is equal to 2.0459 at an angle minus 59.24 degree ampere. So for first case, I am getting I1 2.0459 at an angle minus 59.24 degree. Now what they are saying, an impedance Z2 is added in series with Z1, the current becomes half of the original value. So I2 will become equal to I1 divided by 2. I am just talking about the magnitude. So magnitude of I1 is 2.0459 divided by 2. So that is equal to 1.023 ampere. What else is happening? Magnitude become half and it leads the original current by 14.2 degree. See the meaning of this. For example, I am having I1 as 2.0459 at an angle minus 59.24 degree. So suppose this is a reference and I1 will be like this, whose angle is 59.24 degree in clockwise because it is minus. Now I2 should lead I1 by 14.2, meaning I2 phasor should be ahead of I1 by 14.2. So this angle is 14.2. So what is the logic? What is the angle of I2 with respect to reference? So angle of I2, which I will represent as phi 2, is nothing but minus 59.24 degree plus 14.2. So phi 2 angle I am getting as minus 45.04 degree. So it's very important to know the angle of I2 because now I can represent I2 in a phasor form. Now here we obtained magnitude of I2 as 1.023 and angle of I2 with reference is minus 45.04. So that I can write I2 in a phasor form like this. We have to find out the Z2, that is a one more impedance we have connected in series with Z1 in order to obtain I2 like this. Here, one precaution you have to take. You cannot say Z2 equal to V upon I2, because understand what they have said. An impedance Z2 is added in series with Z1, the current becomes half of the original and leads it by 14.2 degree. Meaning, if I have series combination of Z1 and Z2, then I am getting this I2. So this thing you have to keep in mind. You cannot say V upon Z2 equal to I2, but it is V upon Z1 plus Z2 equal to I2. So V is 50 volt, Z1 is 24.4387 at an angle 59.24 degree. Z2 is the unknown, equal to I2 that we obtained as 1.023 at an angle minus 45.04 degree. If I solve, I will get Z2 as 25.8899 at an angle 31.65 degree ohm. This is the required answer. Thank you.